Let us see how to group and ungroup the rows or columns in Google Sheets. So to group the rows, just select these rows. You can press Shift key and then click the rows that you want to group and then right click. You can see view more row actions, then click on group rows 3 to 6. So once the group is been created, you can see that on the left hand side this particular button is being shown, with the help of which you can expand or collapse that group. So if you collapse it, you can see that that particular rows are hidden. And now if you expand it again, clicking on this plus button, you can see that. So basically the main benefit of using this grouping and ungrouping is that you can easily visualize the data based upon some conditions. So if there are lots of rows, then you can group the rows based upon some condition, and that way you can easily look at specific groups. Okay, let us create another group over here. So you can see that there are now two groups. This is the group 1 and this is the group 2, and that way you can organize your data very nicely. And the same way you can group the columns as well. So if you just select these two columns and then right click, then go to view more column actions, and then you can select group columns D to E. That's it, the group is created. So you can again expand and collapse like this. That's all. Thank you for watching.